Offered for sale is a 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Crew Cab Pro Service Truck, a highly capable and well-equipped utility vehicle designed for contractors, electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, maintenance companies, municipalities, and field service operations. This truck combines the comfort and technology of a late-model pickup with the functionality and storage capacity of a professional-grade service body, making it an ideal solution for businesses that require a dependable mobile workspace. Powered by GM's proven 6.6-liter L8T gasoline, V8 engine producing an impressive 401 horsepower, this Sierra delivers outstanding performance and towing capability while maintaining the reliability and ease of maintenance that have made the 6.6-liter gas platform a favorite among commercial operators. The engine is paired with the renowned Allison 1000 Series 10-speed automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, providing excellent traction, smooth power delivery, and confident operation in a wide range of road and job site conditions. The truck is equipped with a 36-gallon fuel tank for extended operating range. Built on a heavy-duty platform with an 11,700-pound GVWR, this Sierra features a 5,200-pound front axle rating, a 7,250-pound rear axle rating, a 172-inch wheelbase, hydraulic brakes, spring suspension, and all-steel wheels. The combination of heavy-duty chassis components and four-wheel drive capability makes this truck well-suited for demanding commercial applications, remote job sites, and towing operations. Mounted on the chassis is a 8-foot open service body, providing secure and organized storage for tools, equipment, and supplies. The service body configuration allows technicians and operators to keep everything organized and readily accessible while maintaining a professional appearance. The spacious crew cab configuration offers comfortable seating for multiple crew members, making it ideal for businesses that operate with field teams. This truck is exceptionally well equipped with modern safety and convenience technology, including lane departure warning, forward collision alert, a factory backup camera, a 120-volt power outlet, trailer brake controller, towing package, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and collision mitigation technology. These features enhance both operator comfort and safety while improving productivity throughout the workday. Finished in white with a black crew cab interior, this truck presents professionally and is ready to be put to work immediately. Notes indicate the vehicle has a clean Carfax history with service records available, reflecting responsible ownership and proper maintenance. With only 96,508 miles, this late-model Sierra 3500 HD represents an outstanding opportunity to acquire a powerful, work-ready service truck without the cost of purchasing new.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved